Welcome to MCMR Clinic on Marco Island. At MCMR, we offer chiropractic care, occupational therapy, physical therapy, and other health and wellness services. We're always searching for what works best for patients and what can differentiate us from other competitors out there. That's why we brought Direct Current Neuro Therapy to our clinic. Traditional rehab often focuses on where the pain is instead of what the root cause is. Direct Current helps us target the neurological root and not just the symptoms. Then it lets us treat why it's there in the first place. Direct current is harmonious with how our brain works, and it's much smoother than the alternating current found in your TENS machine. It identifies and activates dormant muscles, improves blood flow, and helps reprogram the nervous system, so the body can absorb force properly. For our patients, it means fewer sessions, faster progress, and better outcomes. For many patients, we're seeing results in days, not months.
This therapy has made a big impact on my MS. Since starting these treatments, I'm moving better and I feel much stronger. And I can get through a full day without feeling sluggish or tired.
As an active woman with background in fitness and med sales, I was shocked to learn about this therapy. I've been having issues with my knee for the last 2 years, but after 2 sessions, my knee feels amazing and I'm back to my normal strength training.
One of the best things about NerveOTX is the portable device that people can rent and bring home. They can use it for enhanced blood flow and ongoing recovery. For any healthcare professional that's watching, NerveOTX is offering a free 90-day trial. This lets you see firsthand the impact direct current can make on your patient's outcomes. This isn't just innovation, this is transformation. I encourage everyone to go to their website, check it out, learn more, get your free trial. I'm glad I did.